While sailing around Mallorca, Spain, the moment has come when every boat owner has to think about where he will store his boat until next season. Points for thought. Leaving the boat in Mallorca Island costs double or even 4 times the price in Barcelona area. Shelter. How protected the marina from the weather conditions. Facilities and maintenance, and the possibility to take the boat out of the water usually reduces costs. Accessibility. How long will it take to get to the boat for your next sailing vacation? We used Navily app to get ideas, suggestions, and price. Very useful. Thank you for watching SeaTV.